Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we found during an annual on a well-balanced engine a cracked exhaust riser cylinder number 2. Now, it was kind of hard to find, and that's why you always want to have as many pairs of eyes you can look at putting the engine with a nice bright light, because if it hadn't been for a little bit of an ash plume and Shop Monkey seeing it, we would not have caught this. So stay tuned while we tell you a little bit more about it. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now that crack you see down there in that ash plume, especially that little oval hole, that was on the back side hiding behind a bolt in the hardware. So it was very difficult to see. That's why I say get multiple sets of eyes and nice bright flashlights, and you might have a chance of finding something that is shaking the exhaust. You're not going to find it. But as you can see here, it's a little bit more evident in that regard. And then under the bright light, you can really see the crack, that it's pretty much all the way around. And it was just when we started handling it and went to lay it down that's when it came completely apart, so you can see how close it was. I'd like to also add that because of the Yankee air system and only the AA1s, the CO2 button never did turn dark even with the exhaust leak. That's because the air for a Yankee comes in at the wing roots, and it only puffs on your ankles way down low. But anyway, you can see how jagged that brake was. Now, this engine did not have vibration, but we did find a serviceable unit. They're about $250 from Fletch Air when we had it installed with all new hardware. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. So no leaks, no cracks now. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Apologize for the lighting, because a lot of times I don't have time to go turn on a light when I want to film them playing with paper on the floor or wrestling with each other. A lot of times it happens in the wee hours of the night, and I just can't throw enough light on there. So please accept my apology and enjoy their antics and their fun. Thank you.